guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Peace and I'm happy to have you here. So guess what, I decided to embark on a 3-day detox challenge with just homemade juice and eggs. I mean clean eating. And guys, guess what, in 3 days I lost 1 kg. I can't wait to make the journey longer, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you posted. For now, watch along with me on what I used and the juice I made at home. And yeah, even when I was working from home as well, I was still on the journey. Guys, look at that. Yeah, oh, it looks yummy. I can't wait to drink it already. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. This is what you should have every single day, trust me. Every single day, come on. Now I'm still on this detox while working from home, and honestly, it hasn't been as hard as I thought. The juices have been refreshing and the eggs kept me full enough to power through my day. I made sure I had up to 8 glasses of water, and trust me, it was really cleaning my system. Guys, one of the reasons why I love working from home is my husband. Like, this man makes me laugh before he leaves for work, and then I have to spend the rest of my day fighting for my life, trying to act normal. Like, imagine sitting through a serious online training, like you're all professional, and then your brain is still processing the weird dance he did. Bye, baby. Bye. And it's lunchtime. Look at that. It looks so good, and I'm sure it's gonna taste really yummy. And this eggs. Who doesn't love eggs? Eggs are good. Look at that. It looks so good. I shouldn't be talking while eating. I love it. It's so good, like so good. Cucumber, green apple, celery. I forgot ginger, spinach. I'm gonna put ginger when I'm making the next one. By the way, this is just a cup. I still have some left, and I'll take them at night. So the one is going well. Okay guys, so today's day 2 of my detox, and I ran out of veggies. I'm just here to get a few. I'm getting celery sticks, cucumber, just a few things basically, because I ran out of it. I'm also going to pick up some fruits because I'll be juicing some things, so come with me as see pick those green apples and other fruits basically. Guys, guess who just received a package as a brand ambassador? Oh, that's me. Hey God, I'm so excited. I'm not just an ambassador for Christ, but I'm also, now this is my first ambassadorship deal, if there's anything like that. Like, you know, I've been on this fitness journey for a while now, and being consistent is not easy, but you see moments like this, like, they remind me that it's worth it. Honestly, like, let's unbox this baby. Like, I cannot wait. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm not a brand ambassador. It is over, because every small thing just strong. Ah yeah, hey guys, being chosen as a brand ambassador for Just Strong is such an honor. Now, the amazing part for me about this brand is the exclusive community they have. Oh my God, I love the packaging. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Oh. It's the exclusive community they have for women, where you see women from all over the world supporting each other. Sorry, I don't know if this is making noise, but I'll probably do the unboxing quietly and tell you why I love it. So I was saying, there's this exclusive private group where we have women from all over the world coming together to support each other. It doesn't matter your fitness journey, whether you're just starting or whether you're an expert. Like, you have people from everywhere, and that community means a lot to me. Like, you see messages flying around, motivating messages. Honestly, trust me when I say it doesn't matter. That's one thing I like about this brand, like that community. Oh my God, guys, look at it. I like the design, like, it's just minimal, like, and the message just strong. Like, even when you want to give up, you just look at this and you'll be like, yeah, you can do it, keep going. This is a message in itself, and it's very, very motivational. So that's the material is so good, the quality, I can't wait. That's the hoodie. Look at that. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Look at my bag. Oh, this is really, really nice. I love it. I love it. Just Strong. Just Strong. You are a strong girl. Keep going. Like, with this alone, I'm so motivated to hit the gym, and well, that's good. And smash it. The message and it is just amazing. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on. Oh, this material is so good. Yes, I love it. Like, it feels really comfy, quality. Of course it is. Look at that. Like, Just Strong. And by the side, Just Strong. Just Strong. And what else do we have? Oh, look. Look at that. This is lovely. Give them. You have to cut this off. Where is the scissors? Anyways, I'll cut it off later. Oh, there's a black thing in it. A white thing I meant to say. No, that's cool, but come on. And you can adjust the hat. Guys, I need to go fit. I need to go wear this, like, dress up and I'll be back. Like, you can adjust the back of and adjust the cap to your fitting. Look who is an ambassador. I love it. Hi guys, I'm on my way to the gym, and oh my god, can we just take a moment for this outfit? Like, they're so comfy. The leggings, look at that, Just Strong. You know when something is just huggy yet comfy? That's how the leggings are. I wish I could just show you. Pardon the lighting. It's evening, so we do after our 9 to 5. We head out for our 5 to 9 routine. It's Lovely, honestly. Guys, I filmed an entire video telling you how much I love my Just Strong outfit and the lovely bag, and guess what? It wasn't recording. Like the classic content creator struggles, yeah. Anyways, if you need some cute, strong, and comfy gym wear, this is your sign. Use my code peace-e10 for a discount and thank me later. Anyways, let's head to the gym and be stronger than our excuses. Who is with me? It's really cute, my gym outfit. The bus is coming. Here at the gym. Let's work out now. Just strong outfit. Yeah. I love it. Just strong. Just a strong girl. Just strong. Hi guys, so I'm not alone today. I've got Sister Tari. Hello. I've got Sister Vicky. The one and only Shelby. Hey. Hello. Hello. So today we are going to work out together. Okay guys, so we are done for today. Yeah, did you like it? Yeah. Can you feel it? Oh.
Yeah, I did some baby steps.
Woo! That's what matters. You took adult steps.
Some baby steps. It's been long I've been to the gym.
Oh, lovely. Did you hear that?
Wait for my return. Very soon.
Come on. Hey, give them. Can you feel it? Can you feel the workout you did today?
Yes.
That's the goal. If you're working out and you're not feeling it, then you need to check what you're doing. Yeah. Girls that pray together.